Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Milk. A small bowl of cow or goat milk works as a great canine laxative. Gravy. Pre-made canned gravy may help relieve constipation. Just a few tablespoons should be enough to get things moving. 10 January 2017.
Take our lead.
Home remedies. Abdominal massage. Sometimes a stomach massage can help stimulate the bowels if they're not moving enough to help stool digest more quickly. Drink more water. Increasing water in the digestive tract can make stool softer and easier to pass. Eat more fiber. Avoid empty-calorie, low-fiber foods. Exercise. The 17th of October 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
If those treatments don't work, or if your dog hasn't pooped in more than 2 or 3 days, it's time to go to take your pup to the vet. The vet will check to ensure there isn't a more serious underlying issue at play. She will also be able to assess whether a stool softener, laxative, or enema is appropriate. 21 April 2019.
Take our lead.
A tried and true food remedy is canned pumpkin, which contains lots of dietary fiber as well as moisture to help with dried out stools. Other sources of fiber that you can add to your dog's diet include psyllium husk powder, unsweetened, unflavored Metamucil, or ground dark leafy vegetables, such as spinach. 10 June 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.